Hello everyone, welcome back to Kiwi in Japan. Today I've got a very different video, an unboxing video. I've bought this figurine, the Figuarts Zero of the Persona 3 Protagonist. I don't actually know what his official name is now, because this character was always just known as the Persona 3 Protagonist to me, but they changed his name in later games for like the fighting games and stuff. So I don't know what his name is. Anyway, I bought this figurine. I got it for 4,500 yen at Mandarake, which is a chain in Japan of second-hand figurine stores. And this is about half price to what it usually costs. Usually costs about 8,000 yen. I got it for 4,500, so it was a bit of a, I absolutely have to get it sort of thing. And I really like this character, and I'm going to unbox it now. So let's do it. Okay, ow! Here we go. So there's another figurine which is the Figma of this character. This is the Figuarts Zero, and I think it's a bit better quality. Ooh, that's cool. I think the Figma one is a bit more repositional. You can like change his limbs, you can change his position and everything. But like, I'm not the sort of person who wants to like reposition my figurines. Go, that figurine's getting a bit stale. I'm gonna change how he looks. Wow. Whoa. He's pretty cool. Like up close, you can see all the like details of his face, his little armband, the card that he's holding with the Fool sign from the game. Oh, and he's got this as well. This is from Persona 3 as well, that background. Whoa, it's such a big base for such a small figurine, to be honest. There he is. There's my little boy. Am I missing anything? There's these pieces as well, so you can change it so he's holding a gun instead. He's doing it onto his head, which is how they summon their persona in the Persona 3 games. And I think I have these as well, like an equipable. So if he's doing this, I equip this. If he's got this, I equip that. So he doesn't have a gun present because he's holding it. That's cool. That's so like dainty. I thought it'd be a little bit bigger, but I guess with the box, I was to expect this. So I think that goes in there. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm a bit worried. I don't want to. There we go. Does it go? Does it go like that? Does it go like that? How does it go? I think it goes like that. That's my boy, Protagonist. I don't know his name. I don't know what his new name is anyway. But he's cool. I've always wanted this figurine. Now I've got him. He's not like you can change his face or anything. But he's pretty simple. Alrighty, well. Thanks for watching the video, guys. This is the unboxing. I'm really happy with this. I would not pay $100 for it, but I got it for about 60. I'm talking New Zealand dollars as well with the yen conversion rate. So I think this is cool. One of my favorite characters, one of the ones that I've wanted for such a long time. There he is, there's my boy. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. I'll have some other unboxing videos from all the stuff that I bought in Tokyo and Nakano Broadway and Akihabara, so check them out. Take care.